Step-by-step process of chrome nails. Prepare your nails. Remove any old nail polish, trim, and file your nails to the desired shape, and push back your cuticles. Lightly buff the surface of your nails to ensure they are smooth. Apply a thin layer of base coat to each nail. This helps protect your natural nails and ensures better adhesion of the polish. If using gel polish, cure the base coat under a UV LED lamp according to the product instructions. Apply 2 thin layers of black or a dark-colored polish. This helps the chrome powder to stand out more vividly. Cure each layer under the UV LED lamp if using gel polish. If using regular polish, allow it to dry completely. Once the color polish is cured or completely dry, use the applicator to rub the chrome powder onto the nail. Use a small amount of powder and rub it in a circular motion until the nail is fully covered and you achieve a mirror-like finish. Brush off excess. Use a soft brush to remove any excess powder from the nails and cuticles. Apply a no-wipe gel top coat if you use gel polish or a regular top coat for regular polish. This will seal the chrome powder and provide a glossy finish. Cure. Cure the top coat under the UV LED lamp if using gel polish. For regular polish, allow it to dry thoroughly. Use a lint-free wipe soaked in rubbing alcohol or nail cleanser to remove any residue and enhance the shine. Finish by moisturizing your cuticles with cuticle oil. For more detailed information, visit my blog. Link is in description.